how to buy drop token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply it goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to keep following the updates as I said. So this token, it's available on MEXC. You can go and buy it there. So I will show you how to buy this token on MEXC. Now first of all, open your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in description and you will be able to find a referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards, of course, and find your token with some USDT. Now after you log in on your account on MEXC, go in the search bar and type drop like that and click on this pair, click on it. Now after that, what you need to do, click on buy, select the limit. Now here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. As you can see here, you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay of that USDT on account. So if you increase this, you will be able to see this amount. It will be increased too, because this is related to that amount here. After that, click on buy drop. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. Click on buy drop. So this is how to buy drop token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.